how to perform full backup with unlimited data to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Now in the Backup Your Data section, tap on Temporary Cloud Backup. Here, we will select Backup Data and say Searching for Data to Backup. Now Samsung will allow you to back up your whole device, unlimited data for 30 days. Now this is useful if you need to transfer data from your old device to a new Samsung device, in which case there can be quite a lot of data, so especially pictures and videos. So with this option, you can back up everything to the cloud, and then later you can restore to your new mobile phone. The only caveat is that it only allows you for 30 days of storage. If you go on more than 30 days, you may not be able to access those data. Okay, here I will simply just select a few items. I will not select everything. So I will deselect and I will simply just back up calls and contact and then tap on backup. Here you can see it will back up what I have selected to Samsung Cloud. Now while it is backing up, you can also go and do other things. You can always swipe down at the top, and in the status bar here, it will tell you how far it has progressed. You can always tap on it to bring up this backup window. And that's it. That is how you can perform a full unlimited data backup to Samsung Cloud on your Galaxy S26 device. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.